Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit truffles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need fresh or dried fruit, a good quality chocolate, and a binding agent such as cream cheese or a nut butter. Remember to finely chop or puree your fruit to achieve that wonderfully smooth truffle consistency. Opt for chocolate with at least 60% cocoa solids to ensure a rich and decadent flavor in every bite. Now, let's create the delicious fruit base for our truffles. Combine your prepared fruit with a touch of sweetener if you prefer a sweeter profile. Gently heat this mixture over low heat, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully and the fruit to soften. This step is crucial for a cohesive truffle. Once heated, make sure to let the fruit base cool completely before moving on to the next step. With your fruit mixture chilled, it's time for the fun part: shaping and coating. Roll the mixture into small, uniform balls, aiming for about 1 inch in diameter. Next, carefully dip each truffle into your melted chocolate, ensuring it's completely and evenly coated. Don't be afraid to get creative with your finishes. Consider rolling them in finely chopped nuts, shredded coconut, or a dusting of cocoa powder for extra flair. Almost done. Once your truffles are coated, place them on parchment paper and chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the chocolate coating to set perfectly. For optimal freshness, store your delicious fruit truffles in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. If you want to enjoy them later, they can be frozen for up to 3 months. Just remember to thaw them before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.